In today's tutorial, I will show you how to cartoon your pet in Procreate. We will start from a dog photo reference, and I will walk you through step by step through simplifying it into a cute line art sketch. In the video description, you will find a free PDF guide on simplifying animals, and you can also check out my membership for longer in-depth tutorials. Now grab your pencil and let's start sketching. So again, the first way is just use one shape for the body, right? But then the leg is quite long. However, we definitely not gonna draw the legs so long. Let's drag it. So then we are going to, let's duplicate it, and then we are just going to make it, where is it? We're gonna change the proportion. So we can use Liquify, or let's just first select the head area and then just especially make the head a lot larger. That is very important. So I think a shape like that. And also the legs, there's no way that we will draw so long legs. So use Freeform. I'm just gonna make the leg a lot shorter. And then we can use Liquify. To make the shape a bit cuter. It's also possible that because we change the proportion, we have to change how the leg locate. Otherwise, it won't be able to support the body. I think that is pretty much the result. Okay, a new layer. I'm just gonna use black. So for the dog, wait, what happened? I need to open this layer. Okay. So it's quite obvious. We can use just a shape like that to show the ears. Just a quick reminder, this demo is clipped from my 3-hour 30-minute membership class, where I show you how I simplified 4 different animals from photo reference to sketch and then to final illustration. Inside my Join membership, you will also find many more tutorials, all guiding you from photo to sketch to color. My goal is to help you draw more freely and feel confident turning anything you see into art. If that sounds like the transformation you're looking for, check the link below to join. And then for here, I'm thinking we can add a shape like that to show like the nose area. I do like to make it a bit lower. Okay, like that. All right, and then just one shape for the body. So here is just one shape. Here, because there is some overlapping here, so that's why I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna define it like this. Let's see. One shape. Now let's add leg. I feel like if we add way too long leg, it's not gonna look cute. So I am going to just use a shape like that. The leg has to come a bit here, I think. Otherwise, it's a bit difficult for the dog to stand. And then here is a shape like that. And then adding a shape. So I'm gonna just do like this. Whoop. Okay, and then wait. I'm making this dog look like quite a fat one, but it's okay. We can decide on those things. Okay, yeah. Now I don't need the guidance anymore. The ears have a darker color, so to show that the color here are darker. And then it kind of has like eyebrows, so I'm just gonna add that. Blush. Maybe the belly is a bit too big, so let's see. The eraser, I like to use the airbrush eraser for my sketching part. The shape is like going really forward. Alright, so that is a sketch based on the reference photo. We can also maybe make it come from here. Maybe that's better. Make the neck like less fat. A bit thinner. And then the leg is a darker color, also the tail, also a darker color. because I feel like there are quite a lot of fur here. I don't know if you see. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. So that is the first demonstration. We can also have. All right, my friends, I loved sketching these cute dogs with you. Don't forget the free PDF guide is linked below and the full real-time class is inside my drawing membership. If you feel like hanging around, you can watch this tutorial next. It's all about how to color a cute cat. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.